Zimbabwe First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa spends Christmas with female inmates. Harare, Zimbabwean First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa reportedly visited and distributed some goodies to female inmates and their children at Chikurubai prison in Harare on Christmas Day. Unlike her predecessor Grace Mugabe, who always chose to go on holiday with her husband Robert Mugabe and family during this time of the year, Auxilia spent some time touring the female prison facilities, including ablution facilities, the kitchen and bedrooms for mothers and children. See pictures below and the reaction from social media. According to the national broadcaster, the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation, ZBC, Auxilia advised the female inmates to be responsible and desist from committing crimes. She also visited Harare Children's Home, where at least 30 children's homes in and around Harare gathered to receive Christmas goodies. As her trademark, the first fed the children before playing with them, said the report. Auxilia said that the welfare of vulnerable children is one of her top priorities. On Sunday, Auxilia and her husband President Emmerson Mnangagwa surprised worshippers when they attended a Christmas Eve church service at Mablarang Methodist Church in the capital. The two arrived at the church at around 11 o'clock and stayed for the whole service, lasting more than 2 hours, said a Herald report.